My name is Andrea Basilova and I'm co-founder of Sensoneo Smart Waste Management. And what we do here is that we combine our own hardware and software to enable our customers to manage waste efficiently, to improve the quality of service and decrease the environmental footprint. The hardware we produce is really designed, developed and produced in-house, which is a great thing, to be able to basically shape and customize the solution the way our customers need to. As you can see on the screen, we are basically mostly really waste focused, and the cities are basically our largest clients because they are the largest contracting authorities. And what they are interested to know and to do regarding waste is basically to be easily able to trace and track all the waste assets and to understand the production of waste in the city, to, for example, deploy incentive programs for the citizens, and also to optimize waste collection for the sake of the traffic, but also because of the costs related. And I will show you now how does it look in the system. Hopefully you can see it. And here we have opened a city in Slovakia, which is one of our largest or the first clients, and I have the permission to show you the live data they have. So what we have here is basically the ability to monitor real-time online the production waste within the city. We have here a feature called Crystal Kugel in German, which means that we are able to predict the situation for the future because we are gathering the historical data and we are actually learning of the behavior of each and particular bin they are monitoring. In this particular city, they decide to monitor all glass waste and everything in semi-underground bins. They can easily optimize waste collection. For example, this way I have selected only the full bins and I can very easily plan the collection for it using this feature. The system is automatically choosing the right vehicle and I can decide for the target that I want to meet with this waste collection. Usually the client is looking for the service quality, and I can decide on fullness of the fill levels of the bins. That is interesting. And based on that, we are basically calculating the shortest and safest routes, which ensures that the depot, the vehicle coming back to the depot is 100% full. So there is really maximum utilization applied. I will not click now on do it because I will ruin the live data for them, but I can check, for example, in history, where you can see how many routes they have planned and how many tours they will need to make. So you basically get immediately the data regarding the duration, how many kilometers they were driven, and how much volume they have managed to collect. However, the cities are also interested in different things. For example, this is Tel Aviv, a city which has a very complicated underground infrastructure. And for that reason, they need to monitor manholes to avoid floods. We have another sensor developed, which is called Octopus. And this one is actually enabling with an early warning system for them. That means that, of course, they can see the data live, but what's the most important for them is to be notified about the situation they consider critical. So based on that level they have set, we are sending the messages to alert them about the situation. However, we are also supporting the indoor monitoring. And for example, in a city, for a customer which is based in Italy, it's actually a building of offices. We have developed split sensor, which supports installation of our sensor to small bins, which are typical for this type of premises. And for this purpose, they are basically sending the data via the simple smart application to the cleaning people. So they are notified on when a particle bins needs to be collected, and they are also suggested with the right way to do it. So they are not checking every single floor, they just go there where they really need to. And this way I'm getting to industry clients that we are supporting as well. I will again show you this particular situation. It's a factory in Germany. They are producing automotive products, and they have actually installed this button on all the bins across the plant to be able to manually check it when they reach 100% fill level. That moment, our engine starts to produce automated route, which ensures that, I will open it once again, which will ensure that we have basically collected the waste the most efficient way. As you can imagine, the production plants is something where optimization is really critical thing. So you can see here the route we have suggested. There is a navigation for the driver, which is available, and also for the operator to understand how smoothly the operation works. And this way, they are completely sure that there is no burden on the production process. This is basically all from my side. I hopefully managed to stick to 10 minutes. I would like to highlight the ability to get back to me in case of any questions, and I will be happy to answer them.
Thank you very much, Andrea.
Thank you too. How did you like it?
Yeah, that was a very good presentation. Thank you. So that was great. How did you like the demo day so far?
Very much, actually. I'm glad to see there's some companies from Slovakia. There's definitely some technological hype happening here. So this is very good feeling.
Cool. So we have a couple of pitches like you did. After these pitches, we have some round tables where people can ask questions to you personally. So I hope people will go there too. You can see that on the left side of your screen on sessions. And of course, we also have some networking. So I really hope you really enjoy this event as much as we do. So thank you, and I hope to see you. Have a good day and see you soon.
Thank you too. See you. Bye-bye.